Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be fantastic. Cubot is officially launching 3 smartphones this July. The phones are Cubot KINGKONG ACE 3, Cubot KINGKONG X, and Cubot MAX 5. KINGKONG ACE 3 and KINGKONG X are rugged phones, while the Max is a gaming phone. So in today's video, I will be comparing the specifications of the 3 phones to see how they are different. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, or leave a comment if you have any questions after watching the video.